Hi everyone, I'm Ananda Kaplan, a recipe developer and nutritionist for the Anti-Cancer Lifestyle Program. And this week we are featuring a deliciously refreshing watermelon and corn salad recipe to keep you cool on those hot summer days. So the crisp, sweet flavors of the watermelon and the corn pair beautifully with the peppery arugula and the succulent cherries, and then is rounded out with this vibrant basil mint citrusy dressing. This recipe really celebrates summer produce while creating an easy, fun, colorful dish that perfectly is balanced between sweet and savory. This combination of tasty summer produce complements each other way beyond just flavor and texture, though. So each one of these ingredients on their own supplies our body with a slew of health-supporting nutrients. But when we bring it all together, that's where the magic happens. So the fiber in the corn and the arugula actually supports a healthy digestion tract and feeds our gut, which helps us better absorb the powerful phytochemicals that come from the watermelon, the cherries, the citrus, and the herbs. So better absorption of phytochemicals means greater detoxification, anti-inflammatory, anti-cancer, and immune-supporting effects on our body, which in turn is going to improve our overall well-being, boost up our mood, and increase our energy. So we are ready to play every day this summer. This salad is a great example of combining seasonal ingredients to really maximize delicious flavors and textures along with good for you nutrients. So please make sure to check out this recipe under the Cooking with Ananda section this week because keeping cool never tasted so good. Enjoy.